Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
When I see such a representative gathering, bureaucrats and our men in uniform, मुझे लगता है कि राज्यपाल जादूगर हैं। सबके सामने ये कह सकता हूँ कि मेरी भी तमन्ना है कि जब आपकी 300वीं किताब जब आए, 300 book, I would love to be sitting in the audience. The time has come when each of us should take a pledge that the planet is not only for human beings. The planet is for living beings. Everyone has a right to be on the planet. You have to have optimal utilization of natural resources.
As far as writing is concerned, I am not a scrupulous writer. George Orwell is the literary figure who defined the writing and writers. According to him, 4 aspects are there required for the success of a writer. One, what am I trying? In the writing, what am I trying? Secondly, what words will express it? The way in which and thirdly, what image or idiom will make it clear? And fourthly, is this fresh enough to have an effect on the society? Expressing my sincere thanks to Honorable Vice President of India,